I thought I'd show you my little homemade ribbon winder. So here's how I have it set up. There's a post here, and you can put either a big ribbon from, like if you have a big bulk ribbon, or you can use the little ribbons, and it just sits down on there. Then I have 3 nails as sort of a tensioner, and then I have a little loop of coat hanger to hold it, to hold the ribbon in place right here, and you have to just kind of slide the ribbon up into the coat hanger. And then another post here that you put this guy on. And then you can see on the drill, I've taken like that twisted end of the coat hanger and cut it off just to make some little prongs. And then you can just stick those into your ribbon. There we go, winding the ribbon up. Easy enough to do.